The materials that you guys are going to need are going to be a pair of scissors, a 4.5mm hook, an accent color yarn, and your main color yarn. I am using a size 4 yarn. To begin, we are going to take our main color yarn. Okay, take out our main color yarn, make a slip knot, put your slip knot onto your hook and pull tight. Then you are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over, skip the first stitch, and put a half double crochet into the second stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert into your chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. You should have 2 stitches. Now we are going to increase stitch. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and put 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. So 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2. So now we have 4 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to keep increasing until the bottom of the cup reaches from the bottom, and it reaches up to the nipple, so about the bottom of the breast to the nipple. I just got done with my rows and I ended up with 14 stitches to get it to be under my breast to the nipple. So now we are just going to make half double crochet rows, no increasing or anything. And we are going to do this till this is on the side of our breast and this goes over to the nipple. If that makes sense, I'll put a picture in. So for me, it was 4 rows to get where I needed to be. We are going to leave the last stitch and change colors. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, and then we're going to grab our accent color and make a slip knot. I already did mine. Insert it onto the hook and pull through. And then we're not going to cut off our yarn because we're going to be using it in just a minute. I'm going to chain 1 and we are just going to crochet both of those into the cup. Instead of half double crochet, we are going to do a single crochet row. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Make sure your tail and your main color are in that stitch. And you're just going to single crochet down the row. Now with our last stitch, we are going to be changing colors again. So insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then with our main color, we will yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to cut that tail off, chain 1, and now we're going to mirror this side. So I did 4 regular rows, no increasing, no decreasing or anything. So I am again going to do 4 rows of half double crochet. I have my 4 half double crochet rows, and this is what it's looking like. Now we are going to decrease. To decrease, chain 1, turn your work, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, and pull through, yarn over, and instead of pulling all 3 loops off, we will insert into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, and now we are going to yarn over and pull through all of those loops. We will continue to half double crochet down the row until we get to the last 2 stitches. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, I don't remember, but this is making a D cup. So if you wanted to make a D cup, this is what you would do. So 2 stitches left, yarn over, insert into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops. We are going to continue to decrease until we only have 2 stitches left. This is what it's looking like. When you fold it in the middle on that accent color, everything should line up evenly. So now we are going to switch back to our accent color. And again, we are going to crochet in our main color. So make a slip knot with your accent color, insert it onto your hook, and pull through. Then we are going to chain 1. And we are going to single crochet in each row across till we get to over here. So to do that, just insert into each row and place a single crochet. Just like this. Do that all the way across. Now from here we are going to cut our accent color, and we are going to switch back to our main color. Chain 1, turn our work. We are going to half double crochet, decrease stitch. So yarn over, insert into, what did I do? Oh, there we go. Okay, yarn over, insert into our first stitch, yarn over, insert into our second stitch, pull through, and pull through all of the loops. Continue to half double crochet across till you get to the last 2 stitches and decrease stitch. We are going to repeat this last row with decreasing in the beginning and decreasing at the end of the row, and we are going to do it for 3 more rows, so we have a total of 4 of those rows. Here's what it looks like with all of those rows completed. Now we are going to cut our main color because we won't be switching back to it, and grab our accent color, make a slip knot, put it onto the hook, pull through, and then chain 1. And now we are just going to single crochet in each stitch around the bottom of the cup, but we are going to stop when we get back here. We are not going to accent color crochet up here on the top, just around the bottom. This is what the final result will look like. So now just cut and tie off your yarn, just like that. I will be making multiple tutorials using this cut pattern, so stay tuned for that. And if you liked this video, please show it and hit the like button. Also subscribe to be notified when my new tutorials come out. But thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.